In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ThinkOrSwim Desktop. ThinkOrSwim Desktop is an advanced trading platform offered by Charles Schwab. It is designed for trading stocks, options, futures, forex, and even paper trading. This platform is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, catering to a wide range of users. Let's get started by navigating to the official download page. This is an essential first step because downloading from the official site ensures that you receive the most recent and secure version of the software. Once you're on the download page, you'll see an option to download the installer. Click on Install ThinkOrSwim. The site will automatically detect your operating system and provide you with the correct installer, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. This automatic detection saves you time and prevents potential compatibility issues later on. With the installer downloaded, the next step is to install the platform. If you're using Windows, open the downloaded installer file. Follow the instructions in the installation wizard. These prompts are straightforward, guiding you through the process step by step. When the installation is complete, click Done. You will notice a ThinkOrSwim icon appearing on your desktop, confirming that the installation was successful. For Mac users, the process is slightly different but equally simple. Open the downloaded.dmg file. Follow the installation prompts as they appear. Once installed, you can launch ThinkOrSwim from your Applications folder. This step ensures that the software integrates smoothly with your Mac system. Now it's time to log into the platform. Open ThinkOrSwim and enter your Schwab login ID and password. At this point, you have a choice. You can either engage in live trading or explore paper money, which is a demo mode for paper trading. Choosing paper money is a great way to get comfortable with the platform without any financial risk. It's particularly useful for beginners who want to practice before diving into live trading. It's important to note that a Charles Schwab account is generally required to log into ThinkOrSwim. However, Schwab offers a limited guest pass for those who want to try the platform before committing to an account. This can be a valuable option if you're still deciding whether this platform suits your trading needs. Before you proceed, ensure that your system meets the current requirements. For Windows users, you'll need Windows 11 or later. Mac users should have macOS 14 or later, according to Schwab's current download page. Meeting these requirements is crucial for the software to function efficiently and without any glitches. If you prefer not to install anything on your computer, you can use the browser version of ThinkOrSwim. ThinkOrSwim Web runs directly in your browser, allowing you to access the platform without any downloads. This is a convenient alternative for those who want to trade on the go or from different devices. With all these details in mind, you are now ready to start using ThinkOrSwim Desktop. Remember, taking the time to set up your platform correctly will ensure a smoother and more efficient trading experience. Happy trading!